Cotoneaster conspicuus, Tibetan Cotoneaster, Da果栒子, is a slow-growing, densely branched, evergreen shrub native to southeast Tibet. It grows to 1 to 1.5 meters in height, with white five-stellate flowers followed by scarlet fruit, 8-10 millimeters in diameter. Synonyms: Cotoneaster conspicuus, mesel. Cotoneaster conspicuus var. Decorous P.G. Russell. Cotoneaster microphyllus var. Conspicuous mesel. References: Holotype, Russell, P.G. 1938. Proc. Biol. Soc. Washington 51, 184. Wikipedia entry